On this 2010 to 2015 Honda Civic with the 1.8 gas engine, B121A is a climate control code for an open in the mode control motor circuit. In plain terms, the control unit may not be seeing the mode motor circuit the way it expects. The driver may notice the air outlet position does not change correctly, or the HVAC mode selection can act inconsistent. Broadly, this can involve the mode control motor wiring, connector condition, the motor circuit path, or a possible motor fault depending on how the circuit check behaves. We are going to stay on B121A and use the other climate control codes only as context for where the open is likely to be. Start with the basic system checks. Clear the DTCs with the HDS. Turn the ignition switch to lock 0, then turn it back to on Roman 2. Run the self-diagnostic with the HDS or with the climate control unit, then check for codes again. If B121A or code 49 does not come back, treat it as an intermittent failure. At that point, check for loose wires or poor connections in the mode control motor circuit before going any deeper. If B121A or 49 does return, keep testing. Next, look at the climate control codes that came back with it, without getting distracted from the target code. If the companion mode circuit codes are also indicated, the diagnostic direction is an open in the wire between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. Repair that open. If those companion codes are not indicated, continue to the direct mode P line check. For the mode P line check, turn the ignition switch to lock 0. Install a jumper wire from the mode control motor connector to body ground. On a 4-door, connect the mode control motor 7P connector No. 2. The BLU wire to body ground. On a 2-door, connect the mode control motor 7P connector No. 5. The BLU wire to body ground. Then turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2. Run the self-diagnostic with the HDS or the climate control unit and check for codes. If B121A or 49 is still indicated during that jumper check, repair an open in the wire between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. If B121A or 49 is not indicated, the mode P wire is okay, and the next call is to replace the mode control motor. Keep verification separate from the circuit test. After the repair, use the same code clearing and self-diagnostic routine to confirm B121A stays gone. The takeaway is simple. Prove the code is current. Use the companion code pattern to identify a shared open. Then use the mode P jumper check to decide whether the open remains in the wiring or the mode motor is the next repair. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.